In this video, I will guide you on how to fix ChatGPT 403 error. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and vice versa. Make sure your connection is stable and working properly. If you have any VPN or proxy on your phone, make sure to turn that off. Also, turn off private DNS if that is enabled. Turn that off, you want to head over to your settings, then tap on connections. Now tap on more connection settings. Here you will find the option of private DNS. If you have set that to automatic or private DNS, go ahead and tap on the off option and then tap on save. Next thing you want to do is force close the app. For that, tap and hold on ChatGPT. Now tap on this app info icon. Now find the option of force stop. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on OK. While you're on your settings, you want to tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache. Next, you want to update the app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for ChatGPT. Here, if you find the option of update, go ahead and tap on that. Updating the app is going to fix any bugs within the application. Now open ChatGPT and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to log out of your account. For that, tap on these two lines. Now tap on the profile icon. Scroll down and tap on the logout option. Tap on logout to confirm. Now you again want to log into your account. Once that is done, this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.